Hey everyone! Today we're going to create an awesome yet super easy landing page using Figma. Let's jump right in. Alright, so I'm guessing you've already got Figma installed on your computer. If not, go ahead and do that real quick. Now fire up Figma and let's choose the perfect frame size for our landing page. You'll find the frame tool in the top left corner of your screen. It's that little hashtag looking icon up there. Go ahead and click on that icon, and you'll see a bunch of size options on the right side of your screen. Pick the one that works best for you. I'll be using the desktop size for this tutorial. Alright, let's keep moving. Alright, now check this out. I'm putting together a sweet color palette to use as the background for our landing page. Now, while we've got the frame selected in the design section, let's take a look at the fill property. See that little dropper icon? Click on it and let's start picking colors from our cool palette to create a stylish linear background. Notice those three little squares above the linear style bar? That's where the magic happens. You can choose the starting color, middle, and end color points to create a stunning gradient effect. Let's give it a try. Get this, you can also rotate, stretch, and adjust the distance between the colors using these three notch points. Play around with them to create the perfect gradient background color. Have fun with it. Oops, that took a bit longer than expected. I'm pretty happy with how this gradient turned out. Let's move on to the next step. Next up, let's find an eye-catching image for our cover. I'm going with a sleek sneaker photo since I'm designing this landing page for an online sneaker store. Feel free to choose an image that best represents your own project. Alright, here's a quick tip to effortlessly remove the background of your image. Head to the top of your screen and find the Plugins option. Search for Remove BG and install it if you haven't already. Once that's done, just click Run, and voila! The background is gone, just like magic. Super easy, right? Alright, I'm gonna grab some cart and burger menu icons from my image folder real quick. Let's pop these bad boys in the upper right corner of the frame to make our design even more awesome. Let's have some fun with our sneaker image. First, duplicate it by pressing Alt plus Shift plus D. Then, drag and duplicate it downward a bit. Right-click on it and select Flip Vertically to create a cool reflection effect. It's a neat little trick to add some flair to our design. Next, let's click on the lower sneaker image and tweak its opacity a bit. I'm thinking around 30% visibility should do the trick. It's gonna give it that subtle reflection vibe we're going for. You know what? I think it'd look great if we added a shadow effect between the two sneaker images that are reflecting each other. Let's give it a shot and see how it enhances our design. Alright, let's do this. Grab the ellipse tool and draw a shape between the two sneaker images. Now let's change the ellipse color to black. Next, we're going to add the layer blur effect from the effects property. I've set 36% for the perfect shadow appearance. Great job, everyone. We're making progress. Now let's add our header menu. Just hit the T key on your keyboard to activate the text tool. Remember how we duplicated our image earlier? We're going to do the same thing with the text. Press Alt plus Shift plus D and then drag the duplicated text horizontally to the right. It's all coming together now. All right, to speed things up, I've got a pre-made logo ready for our landing page. I'm just grabbing it from my folder real quick. Let's go ahead and place it in the top left corner of our page. This is really starting to take shape, guys. The logo seems a bit plain right now. How about we add a couple of shape elements to spruce it up and make it more visually appealing? Let's give our logo the attention it deserves. So I just added a white triangle and a gray circle to our logo. What do you think? Not too shabby, right? But hey, I'm sure you've created some even more amazing logos out there. Keep up the great work, guys. All right, time for the final touches. We've got to showcase the name of our featured product to make it stand out. And of course, we need an eye-catching tagline to reel in those potential buyers. Oh, and let's not forget the all-important buy button. We want our viewers to feel like they're in control and have a clear call to action. Let's wrap this up and make our landing page truly irresistible. And there you have it, folks. I'm Robin. And if you enjoyed this tutorial and want more in-depth step-by-step guides, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day. Catch you in the next video. Brrr, I'm out.